Hello, this is John Christensen again, and someone requested a video of this Frigidaire Gallery Dishwasher while it's running. Right now I have it on the normal wash. I usually, with this gallery, I can actually set up my favorite cycle, which my favorite cycle would be normal wash with the Skr wash pressure and the wash temperature normal and air dry. Right now you can see HD on display. If you see that in your dishwasher, that means it's just actually heating the water inside the dishwasher. So I'm going to be quiet and let you hear. Right now the lower wash arm is going, and then it will switch to the top wash arm. Now switch to the top wash arm. Noise is not too bad out of this dishwasher. It's fairly quiet for being a plastic tub. If you guys want the most quietest dishwashers out there, you have to get the one with the stainless steel interiors versus getting a plastic or a polymer interior. I'm going to give you a sound what the motor sounds like down below. Not that much noisier. Alright folks, well there you have it. Frigidaire Gallery Dishwasher running in its normal wash cycle with the sound of what it sounds like when it transfers from top to bottom spray arms. You guys have a wonderful day. We'll catch you later.